Good day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase account to your cold wallet. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app on your mobile device. This is probably the easiest way to do it. On this menu, you will see, once you've logged in, a menu, and you are going to look for the send button. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You can either click on the send button, or you can search for an asset up in the top of the search bar, and either which way you'll be able to send to your cold wallet. Once you've done so, you will end up right over here. So as you can see, you'll now have to add in the amount or the value of USD worth of your assets. So for this example, we are sending BTC, which is Bitcoin, and then you will have this page where you'll add your wallet address. Now, your wallet address will be found in your cold wallet software when you installed it onto your system. So what you need to do is jump into that, whatever it is, and go and look for your account, your wallet address. So this wallet address will be unique to the actual asset that you are sending and receiving. So make sure that it all lines up. Once you've gotten that address, you can go ahead and paste it in over here at the top, and then you are going to go ahead and click on continue. This will take some time. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, sometimes it takes a few hours, depending on the network congestion, and then you will have your crypto from your Coinbase into your cold wallet of choice. I hope this was helpful.